Are you tired of being a broke ass nigga? You want some money in your pocket? Don't even worry. I'm gonna teach your boy how to trade these consolidation zones. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. I don't even like trading these shits, but it's always a way to trade in the market. No matter what time of day it is, week, month, nigga, it don't even matter, bro. It's always a way to trade the market. So today, make sure, step one, make sure you got TraderView, you know what I'm saying? TraderView free app, you know what I'm saying? Or you can pull it up on your computer, you know what I'm saying? Real simple. I'm talking about go to traderview.com, is enter. And the stock that I'm gonna be going over and showing y'all how to consolidate trade is that goddamn AMD, man. As y'all can see, this is what it means by consolidation. You see this range, how it's like stuck in between here. The first thing first, what you gonna wanna do, you wanna draw a box. You know what I'm saying? On TraderView, you got boxes. I got mine right here. It's a little rectangle. And all you wanna do, this is the 1 hour time frame, but you know what? We're gonna go to the 4 hour for y'all boys. And all you wanna do is pretty simple. You go to like the top wick, you just drag it. Just drag it. Right here. That bitch stuck there. You see, this is the 4 hour. Now you're going to 1 hour time frame. You want to make sure everything is equivalent. Hey, 1 hour looks pretty good. You know what I'm saying? 30-minute, as y'all can see, once I grabbed it on the 4 hour, everything correlates on the lower time frame. So you know what I'm saying? So once you put your box around this consolidation range, now you're gonna watch the very top and the very bottom. And this is what I mean. Cause you see when it bounces off here, you know, it's gonna find its way back down. And then when it goes down, it's gonna find its way back to the top. Consolidation is it bouncing from the top to the bottom. Now let me show y'all how I traded this yesterday, right here. Today we're gonna be using the relative strength index. And shoot, this is really all I used yesterday, but we're gonna try the other shit too. Alright guys, as you can see, you know what I'm saying? This is the 1 minute time frame. We are still within the consolidation zone. Let me show y'all real quick. What you want to do is you want to wait for the 1 minute and the 5 minute to be on the same, like the same page type shit. Like you see for the RSI right here, it is lower than 30. Normally when the RSI is lower than 30, it has no choice but to come back up eventually. The more patient you are, the more money you're going to make back. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, on the 5 minute, you see how it's below the 30 RSI. Then on the 1 minute, you can also see down there below the 30 RSI. It's still at the bottom, just considered oversold, and at the top, it's considered overbought. So, what I mean by make sure everything is on the same page, you see how this is at the bottom of the channel. That's one. Then it is oversold. That's two. And then on the other time frames, 1 minute, 5 minute, see it's also oversold, and I believe also on the 15 minute it was low too. Yeah, even on the 15 minute it was low. See, it was right here. This is when I got into my trade. This is why I say you need to go. You start from a higher time frame and you work your way down. Cause this is where I got into my trade at. I got into this trade right here because I seen that this candlestick was forming, and this is a reversal candlestick. Cause what happens is, oh yeah, you need to know your candlestick patterns. But this candlestick is showing that the price went down, but then it started to go up. This is what began to happen. See, it looked like it wanted to stop. Let me pause this shit. But at the end of the day, it kept going up. And you see on the 1 minute time frame, you see how it goes down, up, down, up. That's because the parts do not just go straight up in a straight line. You have to hold it. Don't pull out. You know what I'm saying? You gotta hold it. Now, as y'all can see, it keeps on going up. Now, this right here is probably where you want to exit your trade. That's why I exited my trade. You see, I trade on the 1 minute time frame, the 1 minute RSI was all the way at the bottom. Like I said, it had no choice. It had to go up eventually. So, you know what I'm saying? It started at $69, and by the time the 1 minute RSI maxed out, it was at $70.50. I made like $200 on that trade. And as you can see on the 15 minute time frame, it actually shot up some more also. Keep continuing to see what happened. And then after that, it crashed right back down. See, consolidation. So you need to get in and get out. This is why I trade the 5 minute and the 1 minute, depending on how big the zone is. But we day trading the scalp trade right now. So this is the best thing you can do. But as you can see, on the 5 minute time frame, when it was all the way low and it came back up, it stopped right here. This is like your perfect time you want to get out. Matter of fact, Let me rewind that bit just so I can show y'all. Look. Alright, see, this is 5 minutes all the way up to the top. Let's go to the 1 minute. Boom, the 1 minute. See, like, if you would have held it on 5 minutes, you probably could have got a little bit more. But like I said, I exited out right here because when I see shit do stuff like this, I just go ahead and get out. I like, fuck that shit. I already made my money. Ain't no point in being greedy. Look, we gonna do this shit again tomorrow. So the only reason I consolidate trade is only if all my indicators line up, all my fundamental analysis line up. You know what I'm saying? That's the only reason I'm gonna do it. And then, like I said, consolidation range. If you draw your box, you can find your support and your resistance here, right here. 1, 2. You know what I'm saying? That's a double bottom, so of course it went up. Like I said, you need to know your chart patterns too. On the 1 minute time frame, when the RSI is all the way down here, that's when you want to enter, start looking for calls. Especially if when you draw your little box and it look like this candlestick is trying to reverse, that's when you want to enter for your trades. Once you get in your trade, be patient. And what I would do is I set a stop loss like right here. Set me a little alert right here. If it past this, I'm getting out of there. You know what I'm saying? I'm all the way out. You know what I'm saying? On to the next trade. We're gonna do something better. But you already know it's your boy K2 and the ladies. We out this bitch, man. Like, subscribe for sure, man.